Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to update your Windows PC security detail without any stress in order to protect your Windows PC. This is very much important for every Windows user. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here where you have your Windows startup menu. Right click on it and then navigate to settings. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to System, Display Sound, and Notification Power right here. Go ahead and click on that. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. And then go ahead and make sure you click on About. So click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Your PC is monitored and protected. Go ahead and click on See Details in Windows Security. So click on that. So allow the Windows Security dialog box here to pop up and load completely. So here we go. You have detail about your Windows security right here. Security at a glance. What is happening with the security and health of your devices and take any actions needed. So here you need to make sure that all these boxes here are always on green. However, if you have any security threat right here, you need to make sure you take a proper action as far as Windows security is concerned. Okay. So from this point right here, I have a virus and threat protection that need to be updated right here. What we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on update. So whichever one you have that need to be updated, just click on update and in a few seconds, everything will be updated and make sure all your account security are in green sections right here, such as the account protection, firewall and network protection, and the apps and browse control and device security, device performance and health. Make sure everything are up to date in order to protect your Windows PC for a maximum protection. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe.